This is a video to show you how to use Physics Toolbox Suite, which incorporates most of the sensors that we have. Right now, we just switched from G-force to linear acceleration. And in both cases, that can be useful to help measure vibrations and accelerations in all three dimensions. Gyroscope is slightly different. That measures change in an angle in radians per second, and so might be useful when you're trying to take a look at how something tilts frequently. The barometer takes a look at ambient air pressure and can be helpful to estimate heights and altitudes. Roller coaster takes advantage of all three of those and collects data on acceleration, gyroscope, and barometer, and can be useful for going on amusement park rides. Proximeter could be used for things like a pendulum, and can identify if an object is near or not next to the proximeter sensor. And as you can see here, by waving my hand in front of the sensor, I'm able to find out the number of milliseconds between each return of my hand, or each cycle of my hand passing back and forth. This phone does not have a hygrometer, but those that do can measure the ambient relative humidity, as well as the thermometer, the temperature. This is the magnetic field, and I'm just changing the direction of the mobile device within the Earth's magnetic field. Light sensors can also be used to find out things like light intensity of a particular day or at a particular angle of incidence. You can zoom in, zoom out as necessary, even while the app is running. For sound meter, it also measures sound intensity. Hopefully in the future we'll also have an FFT analyzer to actually identify the frequency of those sounds. This is an actual output, so it's not a sensor, but you can change things like the volume and the frequency to find out, to match frequencies, to find out resonant frequencies of objects. The multi-report will record all of the major sensors, and that's what I'm doing right now. In the future we'll have the option to just select specific ones. Then it gives you the option to change the name of the file. It'll save it to your SD card, and then you can send it to yourself in an email, beam it over to another mobile device, or even save it to your drive. So in this case, I'm going to send it from my husband's account to mine. And that saves as a .csv file, which is comma separated. There's still a few other sensors. Orientation, we'll take a look at angle in real life, in real time. So you can use that as an inclinometer. GPS is currently in beta stages, so soon that will become active. And lastly, we have a stroboscope, which uses your camera's or your mobile device's flash, and you will be able to change the frequency on that. Currently, that will work only for some models of mobile devices.